Hey guys, I hope you're all fine. In this video, we're going to learn about very important pod commands in Kubernetes. If you are new to Kubernetes, this video will definitely help you. So please watch this video till the end. You get this repository link. So these all are the commands we're going to learn today. So you get this repository link in this video description link. Okay, let's get started. So before we learn about the concept called pod commands, we should know what a pod means. Okay, the pod is a chocolate cover. What? Chocolate cover? Yeah. Then what is a chocolate? Chocolate is a container. I hope you guys understand this. If someone asks you what does pod mean, your answer would be pod is a wrapper of the container. Ha, I'm getting confused. You see, this is your chalk. This is a chocolate. This is the chocolate cover. So now this cover is called pod. This chocolate is called container. Okay, this is called pod. So this chocolate would be multiple or single, depends upon the requirement. So what I mean, this chocolate is a container, would be multiple or single, depends upon the requirement. I hope you guys understand the spot commands. Okay, now coming to this commands. So these all are the important commands we going to perform today, and I will explain what is this command means. So first I start with the kubectl get pod. So this is very simple command. So everyone knows this one. So when I execute this command, what will happen? I can see my pod. So this pod is a wrapper of the container. So inside the pod, what we have, our container is inside this pod. Okay, I hope you guys understand this concept. So when we are using this kubectl get pod, what we can see, we can get the pods, we can see the pods. Okay, now I gonna perform another command called -o void. Okay, so what does this -o mean? So -o is a output. When you are learn any new commands, you should know the meaning of the command. Then only you can remember. Otherwise, you will easily forget. Okay, then what does this void mean? Here you see what is the difference between this one and this one. So here I can get extra information. Okay, that is why we are calling this command. We are using it for get pod with information. If you want to know more information about your pod, you can use this command. Okay, now move to another command. Let me copy this and paste here. See, what is the difference between this command and this command? Here I added -w. What it means? -w is a watch. What watch means? I'll give you another example. When you are trying to create a pod, so this is a pod. When you are trying to create a pod, first the pod state will be pending. Okay, sometimes if there is any issues on your container, your pod state will be changed pending to failure. Actually, I'm using my mouse, so that is why my handwriting is look like this. Okay, I'm really sorry. Now failure. Okay, if there is a no error on your container, your pod state will be changed pending to running. Okay, by using this command, what we can see is we can see the live status of our container. Okay, now here what I'm gonna do is now I'm not going to delete this. Okay, because there are many commands. So once we complete these things, then I will delete the pod. Then we will watch the pod status by using this command. Okay, now coming to this command, let me copy this one. Get pod in YAML. What does this mean? You see, so by using this command, So hyphen O, I explained to you what does this O means. O stands for output. I want my output in the format of YAML. Okay, here you see, I can get more information. Okay, now let's try JSON. It is working or not. You see, JSON also working. Okay, so good. Hmm. Now coming to this command called edit command. Okay, let me copy this command. Here you see kubectl edit. So I want to edit my pod. Okay, so for that we can use this edit command. Now here this is the pod name. I mentioned pod. You see kubectl edit. What I want to edit? I want to edit the pod. So that's why here I mentioned pod and this is the pod name. So let's, here you see, here I can edit. So what I gonna edit is, mm, let's change this one. You see here, this image name, I changed Bharati to Bharati. Okay, now let's save this. Okay, you see this? See the status? Now I going to use our watch command. Okay, now the status, here we can see our status, live status. So by using this command, what we can see is, we can see our pod live status. Now, again I going to change the image name. Okay, edit pod. So this is the pod we have edited before. So now I going to re-edit our pod. So here supposed to be Hutch. You note this one. Okay, now we are using this command. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Here you see it's successfully edited. Here you can see this one status changed, running successfully. Okay, I hope you guys understand what is the purpose of this command. Now you guys understand what is the purpose of this edit command. Now coming to this describe. So by using describe, what we can do is we can describe the pod, how it has happened. So describe pod. As a DevOps engineer, these all are the command I'm using my day-to-day activities. Okay, see this? So these all are the thing. These all are the metadata. These all are the data. These all are the information of our pod. What happened our pod a minutes before? You see, there is a error. There is a pulling image. There is a started container. The container is created. So these all are the histories about our pods. Okay. Now move to another command called delete pod. So this command I will perform uh, after completed this command. Okay. Now uh, we need to we need our pod logs. How to do that? So this is the command we can use to get our container log, our pod log. Here you see logs. Now I'm going to test this one. So there is a error. Now I'm going to remove this pod. See, it is working fine. So this is the command. Here, yeah. Now what I want is I want to see my log. I want to see my live log. But how to do that? By using -f. So this is a follow. This command means follow. Here you see, you can see this one. Now, to me. Now, I'm going to access my container through this port called 5000. I can't access. Why? Because I need to do port forwarding. So if I do the port forwarding, I can access. So now let's try to access this one through the minikit cluster. Now you see here, currently I am on my minikube cluster. From my minikube cluster, I'm trying to access my pod. Okay. Now you see this here again. So I hope you guys understand what is the use case of this container by using this command. What is the use case of this command? By using this command, what we can do, we can view our live log, live container log. Okay. I hope you guys understand this one. Now let's perform this execute command. So now what I want to now I want to log in into my pod. Okay. Now you may get confused. Why I need to log in into my pod? Why? Because if there is any issues occur on your pod or your container, you need to log in. Then only you can debug the error. So that is it's supposed to be 2. You see this? I can successfully log in into my container. So this is my container directory. The directory name is Vanakanda Mapla. Okay. Now let me perform this ls command. Here we can see the application. So this is the Python application. Okay. So by using this command, let me copy this command. Let paste here. By using this command, what we can do, we can log in into our container. Now coming to this top, by using this top, what we can do is we can find the CPU utilization. So if you want to perform this command, you should have this metric API. So here it is not available. So let's try without pod. Yeah, it is not working. Okay, so let's move to delete command. By using this command, what we can do is we can delete the pod. You see, the pod is deleted successfully. Let's verify the pod is deleted or not. So for that, we need to perform this command called get pod. You see, there is a no resource found. Everything has deleted. Okay, this is all about this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. And upcoming video, I will post a more what is called more topic about Kubernetes. And bye bye. We'll see you another video.